How to delete Google account? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. Now, you can actually do this on Gmail as well, I believe. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this on a browser, so in Safari or Google. It's basically the same, but let's say some people don't have Gmail on their phone, then blah, blah, blah. So I'll just show it in the browser. And once you are logged into your Google account that you want to delete, you want to click on the top right corner, and here you can actually see manage your Google account. So that is where you want to click on, and then this page will pop up. So what you actually want to do is click on data and privacy, and once you click on there, you want to scroll all the way down until right over here you can see more options, and then it says delete your Google account. So here it says delete your entire account and data. Now, if you want to delete something specific, so for example, only your YouTube or only your Gmail, then you can scroll a little bit up and then here delete a Google service. So here you can see YouTube or Gmail. But if you want to completely delete your Google account, you want to click over here on delete your Google account. So you will probably first have to enter your password. And then here it says, please read this carefully. It's not the usual blah, blah. So I do recommend reading all of this, but it basically says that your account will be permanently deleted and you cannot recover anything. So at the top, you can also, for example, download all of your data if you would like to. If you don't care about that, then here it says that all of this content will be deleted. So my Gmail, a brand account, YouTube, calendar, contacts, Google Play apps and digital content, linked Google devices. And if you still want to delete all of this, you want to acknowledge this and acknowledge also that you want to permanently delete this account. And then all you want to do is click on delete account. You will probably have to enter your password once again to verify, and that is how to delete Google account. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.